on site. 400 hours on this thing. Got that 950 down there. So this morning we're just kind of trying to get a little bit of extra room on this job site. It's not the biggest one, especially for machinery like this, but we need to move close to about 2,000 yards of material this week to stay on time. Moving all this stuff off to the side so we have a little bit more stockpile room for that material down there to the left of my bucket. So just getting all this moved up here and then go back down to the far side of the job, down that way, and pretty much excavate, like I said, 7-8 feet, but we found another problem. We got to go nearly 9 to 10 feet now to hard pan. That's approved by our inspector to start lifting the pad from there. So we got to make a lot of room for a little bit more storage. This is honestly my first time running a newer 320 like this. I've run a few older ones, but it's very, very quiet. It's very smooth, pretty well controllable, well balanced. Things not shaking all over the place. Got cameras everywhere. I'm really enjoying it right now. Something that my Dodge can definitely not tow. Been out of class. to be a lot higher up, but there's just not enough room for that. Moving this big old heap of pile out of the way so we have more storage room. Like I said, really tight fit. Don't have much room. Make the most of it. just about finished up for the day. It's 2:40. Just getting the rest of these last bits that I've excavated out, loaded up in the stockpile. Got a good amount done. It's kind of a lazy start this morning. Need to take a time lapse next time. But I am enjoying this excavator for sure. Some really weird wear bars on these teeth that they welded on. I got 2 left. They already all broke off. I think that's it. Call for the day.